Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla raises Model S and Model X prices in China. Tesla Giga Texas installs BESS, consisting of 68 megapacks. Tesla's Drive on Sunshine feature is close, and here's a first look. And Lucid attempts to lure Tesla owners with free test drives at West Hollywood Supercharger. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla raised the prices of its two flagship electric cars in China recently, hiking the Model S and Model X by 19,000 Chinese yuan, or roughly $2,749. The pricing adjustments have been a regular occurrence for Tesla in 2023, as it has fluctuated the cost of each of its vehicles in various markets countless times so far this year. This is the most recent adjustment to vehicles in China. It is the second price change of the week for Tesla, as earlier this week, the automaker adjusted prices on the Model 3 and Model Y in several markets, including the US and China. In the US, the cars received a $250 increase. Tesla launched deliveries of the Model S and Model X in mainland China in late March. It has been a strategy Tesla has used to pinpoint price levels that are ideal for demand and fit consumer budgets. CEO Elon Musk and other executives pointed out recently that the company regularly looks at pricing across markets and determines whether adjustments are necessary. While the automaker has cut prices significantly when comparing them to last year, lower prices have their downsides. Automotive gross margins dropped below 20%, which had some analysts questioning whether Tesla's price points were sustainable. However, Tesla maintained that the margins were manageable and that there were no concerns regarding the drop. Tesla evidently continues to refine pricing, and it seems no end is in sight. As the company continues to control most of the EV market globally, Tesla is truly in the driver's seat when it comes to fluctuating and controlling pricing. Other companies have been forced to confront this with price cuts of their own. However, other companies have chosen not to get involved in Tesla's price war, which would be a tough hill to climb, as the company also has the most robust charging infrastructure and most stable software systems, making them an ideal choice for consumers when offered at a lower price than others. Tesla sold 75,842 units in China in April, an over 4,900% increase from last year, but a slight 14.66% decrease from March. Moving to the next update, Tesla Giga Texas installs BESS, consisting of 68 megapacks. Tesla Giga Texas installs its own battery energy storage system, BESS, consisting of 68 megapacks, 2 megawatt each. Tesla Megapacks will store energy from solar panels that will be placed on the roof of the factory. In February 2021, winter storms hit Texas and left millions of people without electricity for several days. Tesla CEO Elon Musk was one of those impacted, as he and his family were there. Also, the construction of Giga Texas was stopped for several days. The company became one of those that helped the local population by donating and delivering food and essentials. All of this prompted the company to help the state bolster its energy market. In early March 2021, it became known that Tesla was entering the Texas electricity market with undisclosed construction of a big battery connected to the grid. That project, consisting of 81 Tesla Megapacks, was built in Angleton last year. In late August, the company applied for the role of electricity supplier in Texas and revealed its plans to enter the state's energy market. The Texas Public Utility Commission certified Tesla as an electricity provider in the state in a filing from November 3, 2021. In addition, Giga Texas has been installing solar panels on the roof of the plant as it wants to partially provide itself with energy so as not to depend on the state energy system. To make this possible, Tesla installs not only solar panels but also energy storage systems. According to an application filed with the City of Austin in March 2022, Tesla applied for a new project at Giga Texas. The project is called Giga Texas, LCRA Permanent Switchyard and BESS, and will be located on 53 acres of land. This will be Tesla's second BESS in Texas. Joe Tegtmeyer on Twitter has accessed a Texas LCRA document regarding this project. According to the information, Tesla will form the BESS from 68 Megapack units, 2 megawatt each. The total capacity will be approximately 136 megawatt. According to the Megapack price data on Tesla's website, the cost of the blocks is $114 million. Construction of the Giga Texas project has already begun. Tesla is pushing for changes in the Texas electric power grid at all levels as it has significant problems. Arushi Sharma Frank, U.S. Energy Markets Policy Lead at Tesla, in collaboration with the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, ERCOT, has done a lot of work in recent years to achieve further changes to the ratification procedures in Texas to make its power grid reliable. Moving to the next update, Tesla's Drive on Sunshine feature is close, and here's a first look. Tesla's Drive on Sunshine feature aims to allow owners to charge their all-electric vehicles with excess energy generated by residential solar arrays and stored in their Powerwalls. Now that the feature is close to a wide rollout, we're getting our first looks at the feature in the Tesla app. In mid-March, we reported that coding within the Tesla app had revealed a new feature allowing owners to charge their Tesla vehicles on excess solar, allowing drivers to use the extra energy captured by solar panels for driving range. Plug in your vehicle at home during the day to charge using the excess clean energy generated by your solar system. Set your charge limits and location, and tell your vehicle when and where to charge, only from excess solar, an update in the Tesla app's coding set in mid-March. It will also allow drivers to set the vehicle's battery to charge as usual from any available sources for enough daily driving range, then reserve part of your vehicle's battery to charge only when excess solar is available. Now, the first looks at the feature are surfacing as it is set to roll out on the Tesla smartphone app. A Twitter user shared images of the first looks of the feature. The feature is groundbreaking for Tesla because it helps bring owners' reliance on the grid to a minimum. If the owner of a Tesla vehicle also has a series of the company's energy products, they can use the full product ecosystem to make things as clean as possible in terms of adding range to their vehicles. It is likely that Tesla will be rolling out the feature soon, as it is not yet currently live in the most recent version of the app. However, it could be in the testing phases, and as it moves forward with a wider release, we should see more in-depth looks at the feature in action soon. Moving to the last update, Lucid attempts to lure Tesla owners with free test drives at West Hollywood Supercharger. Lucid is taking on a new approach in an attempt to try and sell their cars by setting up shop at a supercharger station in California and offering Tesla owners test drives. Tesla owner and developer of Tesla Console, Ryan Zahouri, was at the West Hollywood Supercharger recently when a Lucid Air finished in Cosmos Silver was parked in a spot directly opposite the 8-stall supercharger station. Not trying to be subtle with their intentions, the Air had diesels on the side signaling it was a test drive car, and the Lucid employee driving it was approaching Tesla owners to sign up for test drives. In between trying to sign up Tesla owners, the Air was on display with its doors, frunk, and trunk wide open, while taking up 2 parking spots in the process. In a discussion with Drive Tesla, Zahouri said that during his 45-minute stay at the supercharger, no one signed up for a test drive, and no Tesla owners walked over to check out the electric sedan, so it appears this attempt was not very successful. Lucid's struggles to both produce and sell their cars is well known, having produced 7,180 units of their luxury Air sedan and sold 4,369, or just 60% of their annual production in 2022, and far off their original guidance of 20,000 deliveries. The problems continued into 2023 as the automaker produced 2,314 Air sedans and reported 1,406 deliveries in the first quarter, a decline of 33% for production and more than 27% for deliveries compared to Q4 2022. The ongoing low production and sales figures have been paired with a declining number of reservations, indicating customers were canceling their orders before finalizing them. In contrast, Tesla produced 439,701 electric cars in 2022, while delivering 405,278, or 92% of them to new owners. Of those figures, Tesla produced 20,614 Model S and X cars, which are more in line with Lucid's offerings, and sold 17,147 of them. After a disappointing 2022 and start to 2023, all eyes will be on Lucid on Monday when they report their first quarter financials. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.